Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to see how to use the Creta remote. So this is for the SX and SXO, the top model and one below that. So this has a 4-button remote. So we'll be looking at how to use this, what all functions it has. So you'll be seeing the live demo of how to actually use this. So there are some silent features also where you do not have to press the buttons. The car actually responds to the remote when it's near it, and if your battery actually dies on this, then how to actually open up the car and unlock the car and how to use it, we'll be seeing all of that in this video. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how to actually use the remote. Now the first option is your lock and unlock itself. So I press the lock button, it gets locked. I press the unlock button, it gets unlocked. So in the SX model and the SXO model, when you unlock the mirror will fold. So let's lock this back again and it folds. So after that, the two buttons are the special ones. So this one is to start the car and this one is to open the boot. So let me try opening up the boot. So to open the boot, you have to keep this pressed for 3 seconds and then the indicator light will blink. I'll keep it pressed for 3 seconds. That blinked for that blinked twice. Now the boot is open. Now I'm keeping the key here. I don't want to take the key with me because the car has sensors. I don't want to use the sensor. I want to use that feature. So now since I unlocked it from there, I'll go ahead and open it from here and it opens. I'll close it back again and you'll see once I close it, you'll see one blink here. That means it's locked again. Now I cannot open it up. So you see everything is locked. So that is the boot feature. Now if I want to open if I want to start the car, then I'll have to press this button. Now they've put a special security feature in this. Now if you keep it pressed, the car is not going to start up. You see it blinked but nothing happened there because it's been blocked. So to make this work, you'll have to first press the lock button here. So I'll press the lock once and then keep this pressed, and this will blink 4 times and it has started. So when it starts, let me just keep the key away again, keep the key there. Now when it starts, you will see nothing has opened up. The doors have not opened up. Even if I press this button, it will not open up. Everything is locked. Even the boot is locked. So right now the engine has started. You can see the lights over there. The engine has started and the AC has started, the climate control has started. So if you have kept it on 23, then it will try to bring the temperature down to 23. So that's what it's doing. So this is going to be useful in case you want to cool the car before you get in, then you can use this feature. Now to switch this off, you don't need to press the lock button again. All you have to do is press this hold once and you're done and the car has stopped. So that is the regular feature. Now there are more features. Now if you want to remove the sound, so if I unlock it, you hear that horn. Now I don't want that horn. I want it to be silent. Then I'll have to keep the lock and unlock button pressed together. Now you'll see 2 blinks, actually 4 blinks. Okay, 4 blinks. And it is in silent mode now. Now if I unlock it, now you see it's unlocked, now it's locked and no sound. So that's how this works. So those are the features on the buttons. Now if you want to manually use this, manually open the car, then you will have to remove the key from here. So it's actually easy. Just press this small there's this small button here, just press that and then pull the key out. We'll have to use a little force there. So that's the key. So you can open with the key, but as soon as you open the lock, the theft alarm is going to start, and the car will start making sound, and you'll get a message on blue link that somebody is trying to get into your car. I'll take this, put it in here, and then okay, turn it. Now you see it unlocked. Now I can get into the car. It will detect that. So even with a key, if you get in, this will think that somebody is trying to steal it. So what you have to do is, once you get in, even if the remote's battery is dead, you can press the start button with this. So the start button has a sensor, and this has a NFC receiver and a sender, which actually sends signal to that even without a battery from close range. So if you just press it with that, then it will know that it's you, and the alarm will go off. So right now I cannot show that demo because my car is new, the battery is new. I don't want to open it up and then remove the battery right now. So that's the feature. Now let's talk about the silent feature. Now all I have to do is keep the key in my pocket. So I'll put it in my pocket like that, leave it there, and if I walk towards the door, you will see this automatically opens up. It knows that I am here, and I can open the door. Now it won't open like this. I'll have to press this button here, and then it opens. So that this side has one sensor. Now let me lock this. Okay, now it's locked. Now there is another sensor. So actually there are three. There's one on the door, there's one on the start button itself, so that if you don't have a battery, then you can, if your battery is drained, then you can actually use this to press it and switch on the car. The third one is here. So even when the car is locked, if the key is with me, if I come and open the boot, it will open up like this, and you'll see it gets locked again. Now again, if I come here with the key and try to open it up, it opens up. So that is the sensor function. So you've seen all the functions here. You've seen the silent mode also. You've seen all the features available with the remote. Now if you have any further queries, you can go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.